fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussy cat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns. I done came back around like a nigga selling crack in pounds. I got the bag now, but it's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background.
Sanibona guys, welcome back to the channel. It is another day, another dollar inside. It is ilanga lokuqala le vlog guys. I'm starting off a new vlog. Like I said, consistency. Yeah. So it ilanga lokuqala le vlog. Ngikhani ngizojima ngiceda ukuvuka. Ngivuke ngo 5 o'clock. Ngavuka ngathandaza and then after praying, drank water, a lot of water. Prayed for the water, drank it. Yivele something la empumlweni I say buhlungu guys. Yo. It is so painful. I can't even move my nose. Skin update. Since ngisebenzisa my products ngisebenzisa for 4 days now and ngiyabona imehlukonyana wena ayasha ama birds ayasha. Okay, ayasha kancane, like they're burning a little bit. Ngizozama like one thing ngiyazi ukuthi izonginceda. One thing ngiyazi ngeChef Magic, trust me, izonginceda because dala ngiyuza from high school. So that is my to go whenever I skin some feeling that it's young lash and then I just go back to it. So it is another day, another vlog. It is a Monday today. I'm starting off fresh. Yes, then I don't want to be disturbed. I don't want my peace to be disturbed ever. But one thing I know, I'm saying a verse that has been my favorite verse for the longest time. Verse so much, so I always uplift myself to wake up in the morning and start. Whenever I'm feeling down, I feel like, you know what, so I just, it's only my dad that I cry to, and sometimes I feel like it's too much, but I'm a daddy's girl, so that's what's up. So guys, I will see you later. I'm about to gym, make breakfast, and then start off my day one. That's some period. I look so cute, right? Yeah, see you guys later.
Later. 6 hours later. Tomorrow.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It is a day 2 of the vlog. It is another day, another vlog. It is another day, another vlog. So I'm trying to make breakfast. And making breakfast is two different things. So yesterday I wanted to vlog and I didn't vlog. And I wanted to vlog how I do my nails, but I felt like it's gonna take long and editing is also gonna take long, but it was not gonna take long. I was faster than I thought. It's okay, like doing my own nails, like I mastered the thing now. It's in the skill now. It's in my team. It's a cousin. So it is day 2. Yesterday we ate burger. Mawaniki, I left home and I came to visit my old place. If you do know this, we've been in this area before. I came to visit my old place and I'm leaving today later on. I don't want to leave later on. I'm just waiting for him to come back and then here now. I'm just waiting for to come back and then I'm gonna go back home and then I'm leaving tomorrow also. Coming back on Monday. Yeah. So let me go try to make breakfast. Yesterday we ate burger. I didn't vlog. I wanted to vlog yesterday, but I was so lazy to vlog. Not lazy. Like, you know, there are days where you like, not days, there are times. Oh, why am I so fleshy? Okay guys, let me make breakfast. Let me not talk too much. Okay, breakfast. Let me put you guys down here, but I like the lighting. I just love the lighting. So you will just watch me make eggs. I don't even know what am I making eggs with. I don't want to actually. I can say what am I making. This is spice that I used here. I don't want to pour too much. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. It should be on Top Chef egg. This is magnificent. Guys, one thing about me, avocado. I left him a piece. Can't follow. Look. Yeah. There's one thing about me and avocado, semi eggs for bubble. It's not giving. Alright. If you don't do this with Evo, if I didn't something not right upstairs. Because wow. One thing about Evo. In a land man, you know. One thing about Evo, in a way. So I am done. This is my breakfast. This is my breakfast today. Guys, can we get into the egg? Okay, can you, I don't know. Patong, can we get into the egg? Can we just see the layers? Top Chef. Dudum. Zagangang. Ligonya, like you can even see the texture, the moistureness, the oiliness, the gooey, the dewy, guys. Yeah, yesterday we ended up cooking mash, and this is gravy. We did not eat, and obviously rice, and yeah. I'm wearing his shoes. I wanna post it outside because wow. Guys, my nails look nice, ne? So I'm gonna post it outside. I wanna sit outside. See what it is at. Oh. That's how hot it is out. Because it's so cold. I'm outside in a damn and then they come and chill here. Look at that. Oh, look at this one. This one, Hannah. Guys, I found this bird here. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm scared. Maybe if I take it, then the mama is gonna come and I don't know. But it's so cute. But I don't want to save it. What do we do? But it looks like it's crippled. Like it has big legs. What is this, guys? Indonle. I'm so shocked. Look how beautiful it is. Guys, this is so beautiful. What is this? Look, it has big feet. Went straight and I looked, and something just said look the other way, and when I did, it was just there. And it's so cute, but it has big feet. Let me show you. I'll give you a picture here, like a small video. I'm shocked. Let me just try and take it and see what happens. I don't know. Let's go. Asambeni siyolanda yo 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 Asambeni. So I took my son's I took my son's old thingy. I took my son's old gown. Maybe if I put it there, it's gonna think maybe it's unobuwamyan or something. I don't know. But what if it dies if I don't take it? What if it's dead now? This is so scary. But I saw Kalimanji to lead, so I'm kind of like curious. I don't know, guys. It's moving. It's so quiet. It's no more doing the tweet. Let me show you. But why does it have big legs, guys? Look at this. It worries me. Look how cute it is. I feel like it's gonna die if I take it because I don't even know what it eats. Okay, this is the second meal for the day. Spinach mash and rice and gravy. So we're supposed to eat like this tomorrow. Yesterday, but we didn't. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the micro oven and yeah, that's what's up.
Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's let me, I feel why.
Slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
It's let me, I feel work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my church.
Yeah.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit,